today's video, I had a go at making like a pinball table. It's only a small one. I just wanted to do a bit of a test and see how easy. And it really weren't bad at all. I just wanted to quickly show in Lightburn before I show cutting it out. I used a 350 speed and a 17 power for all the etching. For the cut I used a 12 speed and a 60 power. So these actually fit into these pegs here. So let me just flip this 90 degrees. So these stand up so that the ball has got somewhere to roll through. Like this here, it's got these two little pegs what are going to fit into the end there, and that's going to fit across here. Yep, so I just wanted to show, this is like a living hinge. Hopefully it'll work out. It's just to bend around the top here, and then I'm going to chop these down so they join in the middle. Yep, this is where the spring mechanism is going to go. And this board here is just going to catch the balls as they drop down. Everything really is pretty straightforward. This here, to draw this out, to get this angle like this, I'll just quickly show this one thing, how I did that. I got the pen tool and drew out, clicked and held, so it drew out, you know, like a bend shape, and then right clicked so it disconnect. So now you've got that kind of shape, and then I just offset that and said okay. I'll put this on a line so you can see. Then I delete that original line, and then all I did was put 4mm by 4mm squares on each corner like that, and then clicked them both and duplicated them, and then I clicked the outside and clicked these two. Yep, so now you've got the pins in the right place. So you just want to duplicate them before you move it, and then you can just move this away, and now you've got your shape. Okay, I'll get into the video from here.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain.
So yeah, just as a test out, but you could actually make a pretty good game of it. I mean, this is really, I should have probably put something up here that would have diverted it back round, because if you pull this too hard, oh, it did do it there, but maybe as well this needs a bit more like leveling up, but yeah, you could easily add a lot more obstacles in there, make it a lot harder. Yeah, so for a first attempt, pretty pleased how that come out really. It's a shame on that breaking, but if I do one, I'd like to make it a bit bigger anyway. But at least, you know, it gives a start as to what to do. And it's pretty simple to make up really. And it's good practice just to make stuff like this. And thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll put out another video as soon as possible. Thank you.